Hi, I'm Dan from LED Technologies, and in this video I'll be showing you how to get the best out of our rotary dimmers. We offer 3 rotary dimmers. This one here is perfect for a single colour, this one here RGB, and the one in the middle RGBW. Bearing in mind you can use colour temperature adjustable tape with these 2 colour changing dimmers. This single channel rotary dimmer allows you to manually set the brightness of an LED tape without the use of a handset or a wall panel. It lends itself to cupboard and cabinet lighting. Why not try pairing with a PIR sensor so your lights come on as soon as you open the door. If you're using RGB or CCT LED strip, then this rotary dimmer is a simple, cost-effective solution for you. Simply manually adjust to achieve a specific colour or temperature of white. With this RGBW 4-channel rotary controller, you can input an exact colour using the numerical display. Great to match your brand. Multiple controllers can sync with this controller in case you have multiple areas and multiple strips that need to match. We even supply a handset that pairs wirelessly to this controller. It has 4 zones, you can save colours, there are preset programs that you can speed and slow, and you can return to default saved colours. Here's how you pair the RF handset with the 4-channel RGBW rotary controller. Simply turn your controller on by pressing the match button, hold the match button down until the display shows RLS, press on the handset, followed by the zone, and run your finger around the colour wheel to show a successful pairing. To save a colour, turn your controller on, select the correct zone, run your finger around the colour wheel, hold down the scene button until the display changes, run your finger around the wheel, and to recall the colour, press the scene button again. You can select and cycle through 10 programs by using this button here, and you can change the speed of these programs by pressing this button here. It will show you the speed on the display on the controller. You can pair multiple controllers to a host controller or use the wireless handset for synchronization. Let me show you how easy it is. Press and hold the match button on 2 receivers until the display shows RLS. Within quick succession, use a dial on one of the controllers to establish your host controller. Repeat this process for multiple controllers. There are 4 zones on the handset. This means you can pair controllers to a single zone and you can pair them to a collective zone. This allows you to change all the lighting at once. Using the power button on the host controller will turn all paired controllers on and off. You can turn individual controllers on and off using their buttons. To turn a zone off, press and hold the zone button. To turn that zone back on, simply tap that button. With these RGBW 4-channel rotary controllers, you can change to a 3-channel RGB mode, you can select a dimming curve, you can also adjust the PWM frequency, which helps prevent flickering when using cameras. Use these rotary controllers for precise colours to enhance your space and achieve a specific mood. If you'd like any more information, use the link in the description below to visit our website and download datasheets. Alternatively, you can contact us directly and someone will be happy to help. Thank you for watching.